Welcome back to my channel. In today's skating skills warm-up, we will move from easier flowing edge exercises into more complicated turns and combinations. This warm-up is designed to gradually prepare your body and sharpen your skating quality by building balance, control, power, and edge confidence step by step. As the exercises progress, you will challenge your coordination, stability, and precision, helping you feel stronger, more centered, and more secure on the ice before moving into jumps, spins, and program work. Let's get started and make every edge count. After your initial warm-up with power pulls and cross rolls, we begin working with 3 turns and power pulls. Start on a left forward outside edge. On the top of the circle, execute a 3 turn. After 3 turn, come back to the axis and continue with 3 backward power pulls, finishing on a left backward outside edge. At the top of the circle, execute a backward outside 3 turn, come back to the axis and perform 3 forward power pulls. After finishing this section, do a cross roll, then begin the same pattern from the right foot with forward outside 3 turn. Follow with backward power pulls and then backward outside 3 turn. Finish the set with 3 forward power pulls. Now we'll repeat the same combination on inside edges. Start on the right foot with forward inside 3 turn at the top of the circle. Continue with 3 backward power pulls, finishing on the right backward inside edge. Complete a backward inside 3 turn, come back to the axis and perform 3 forward power pulls. Then switch to the left foot with forward inside edge and continue combination. Left forward inside 3 turn, 3 backward power pulls, backward inside 3 turn, and then 3 forward power pulls. Maintain strong upper body alignment with your hips under. Stay connected to your skating ankle using deep knee bend before and after each 3 turn. Slightly straighten your knee during 3 turn and bend before and after. Do same for the power pulls. Slightly straight on a change of edge and bend again your knee and ankle of your skating leg around half circle. This exercise builds power edges, clean turns, and stable checkout positions for higher level skating. If you are a beginner skater and just starting to work on 3 turns and stroking, I invite you to visit my website styleskating.com and sign up for the Figure Skating Foundations video course. This course includes hundreds of step-by-step training videos starting from your very first steps on the ice and progressing all the way to advanced skating skills, single jumps, and basic spins. Each lesson clearly explains proper technique, common mistakes, and specific exercises to help you fix them. By completing this course, you will progress much faster, build correct technique from the start, and avoid the most common errors, saving you time and helping you skate with more confidence and control. Click the link above or check the description below to sign up and begin your skating journey today. Our next exercise is similar to the previous one, but this time we will work on double 3 turns. Start on the left foot with forward outside edge. Perform a forward outside double 3 turn, keeping your free leg close to your skating leg. Check your hips and shoulders after each turn. Use strong knee and ankle action down, up, down during the double 3 turns. Follow with 3 power pulls and then continue with the left forward inside double 3 turn and again follow with power pulls to complete the full set. To switch sides, go into a cross roll, then begin on the right foot. Forward outside double 3 turn, power pulls, forward inside double 3 turn, and power pulls. Keep quick, sharp timing through the turns. Check your shoulders and hips after every turn. Work deeply with your knees and ankles to gain speed and control through the power pulls. This exercise develops fast edges, strong checks, and clean turn control. Now let's repeat this exercise with backward double 3 turns. Start on the right foot with backward outside edge. Perform a backward outside double 3 turn. Continue with 3 strong backward power pulls. Complete the set with a right backward inside double 3 turn, followed by 3 power pulls. Push into the right backward outside edge and begin the same pattern on the opposite foot. Keep your free leg close to the skating leg, maintain a long arm line stretched to the side, back straight and head up. Use quick timing through the turns. Press deeply into your edges and work actively with your knees and ankles to build speed and control through the power pulls. This pattern strengthens backward edges, turning speed, and checked body control. Next, we are going to move on to some more interesting and challenging combinations. But before, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. You can also consider joining my YouTube membership, where you can message me directly with your questions and even request a personalized video for the element you are currently working on. Click the link above or look in the description below to join. Now let's move into a rocker bracket combination, where we will focus on precise turns, deep edge placement, and strong control of your hips, shoulders, and free leg. Start on the left foot with forward outside edge. On the axis, perform a forward outside rocker. After the rocker, check your exit. Keep your free leg close to your skating leg, hold your shoulders and upper body turned to the outside of the circle. Then immediately bring your arms closer to your hips and rotate your upper body into the circle to prepare for the next turn. At the top of the next circle, execute a backward outside bracket on the same foot. Return to the axis and switch to the right foot with forward inside edge. Perform a forward inside rocker on the axis, again checking your exit and rotating your upper body into the circle after that. At the top of the circle, follow with a right backward inside bracket. To change sides, do cross rolls, then begin the opposite direction. Right forward outside rocker, into right backward outside bracket, and then left forward inside rocker, into left backward inside bracket. This combination develops clean turn technique, deep controlled edges, and strong checked body positions. Now let's repeat the same combination starting from backward glide. Begin on the right foot with the backward outside rocker. After the turn, check your shoulders and bring your arms through, rotating your upper body slightly to the outside of the circle, and get ready for the right forward outside bracket at the top of the next circle. Then push into the left backward inside edge on the axis and execute a backward inside rocker from the left foot. Follow with the left forward inside bracket. After this, push into a backward outside edge to switch feet and repeat on the opposite side. Left backward outside rocker into left forward outside bracket, and then right backward inside rocker into right forward inside bracket. Stay active with your skating leg, avoid extra movement of your free leg and arms, and check your body position before and after each turn for clean controlled exits. This pattern helps with your edge control, body alignment, and turning accuracy. Our next series of exercises will focus on 3 turns and counters. Start on the left foot with forward outside edge. At the top of the circle, perform a forward outside 3 turn. Return to the axis and execute a left backward inside counter. Glide around the next half circle, come back to the axis, and then begin on the right foot with forward inside edge. Perform a forward inside 3 turn, follow with a right backward outside counter. To change sides, switch feet with cross rolls on the axis, and then continue with right forward outside 3 turn, right backward inside counter, follow with left forward inside 3 turn, and left backward outside counter. Finish the pattern with cross rolls again. Emphasize free leg extension before and after each turn. Use powerful pushes with deep knee and ankle bend. Maintain strong edge pressure for clean controlled turns. This exercise builds turning precision, balance, and edge control. Now we'll work on backward 3 turns followed by forward counters, focusing on timing, edge control, and body alignment. Start on the backward outside edge, perform a backward 3 turn at the top of the circle. Immediately on the axis, execute a right forward inside counter. Glide on the backward inside edge and return to the axis. Switch to the left side, step into the left backward inside edge, execute a 3 turn at the top of the circle, and then on the axis perform a left forward outside counter. Continue along the circle on the left backward outside edge. Do a cross roll to switch legs, then repeat the pattern on the opposite side. Left backward outside 3 turn, left forward inside counter, right backward inside 3 turn, and right forward outside counter. Keep your upper body aligned with your hips and shoulders over the skating leg. Check your free leg position before and after each turn. Use strong knee and ankle action to maintain speed and stability through each transition. Focus on smooth control edges and precise turn placement. This sequence develops backward turn control, clean counter technique, and strong edge transitions. In today's video, we worked on 3 turns and power pulls, gradually progressing to more advanced turns like rockers, brackets, and counters. These exercises help improve your edge quality, power, extension, timing, and knee and ankle bend, while also improving your shoulder and hip alignment for cleaner, more controlled skating. Keep practicing, focus on your technique, and you will see your skating become stronger, smoother, and more confident on every edge. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time.